In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D mobile flip animation in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the effect, how to apply it, and how to fine-tune it so it looks smooth and professional. First, open Capcut. You can use either the desktop editor or the mobile app. The layout looks a little different, but the tools we need are in the same places. If you already have a project open, great. If not, just hop into a new one so we can get started quickly. Give Capcut a second to load all the panels, and make sure your workspace shows the timeline at the bottom and the preview up top. Next, add your video. Bring in the clip you want to animate and place it on the timeline. If your video is vertical and you're editing a horizontal project, feel free to adjust the canvas size now so the effect frames nicely. You can also trim the clip before you animate it. That way, the 3D flip lines up with the moment you want to highlight. Keep a few seconds of extra footage before and after, so the motion has room to breathe. With your clip selected on the timeline, click on Animation. On desktop, you'll see this above the timeline in the editing panel. On mobile, it appears at the bottom after you tap the clip. This is where Capcut organizes motion presets so you don't have to keyframe anything manually. Inside the animation panel, go to the Combo section. Combo animations blend multiple motions into a single preset, which is perfect for a 3D flip because it can include rotation, perspective, and easing all together. Once you're in Combo, you'll see a list of presets with small previews as you hover or tap. Now, look for the smartphone animation. Depending on your version, it may be labeled smartphone, mobile, or something similar that clearly shows a phone-like 3D flip. Select it to preview how your clip rotates in space as if it's a turning phone screen. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, adjust the duration slider to control the timing. Longer durations feel smoother and more cinematic. Shorter ones feel snappier and more energetic. If the edges of your video crop during the flip, try slightly scaling down the clip or repositioning it so the content stays centered throughout the motion. Use the preview to play it back a few times and check the easing. Capcut's default easing usually looks natural, but a small duration tweak can make it even cleaner. That's it. You've opened Capcut, added your video, applied animation, switched to Combo, and chosen the smartphone 3D flip. Tweak the timing until it matches your edit, and you're good to go.